Hi students, in this lecture we will discuss about the multiplicative inverse. So in the previous lecture we defined the multiplicative inverse as 1 by z. We defined the multiplicative inverse as 1 by z. Okay, so before going to find out the multiplicative inverse of a complex number z is equals to a plus ib. Okay, before going to find the multiplicative inverse of a complex number z is equals to a plus ib, first we will define few terminology regarding the complex numbers. One is conjugate of a complex number. So what is the conjugate of a complex number? So the conjugate of a complex number z is obtained by simply changing the sign of the imaginary part of the complex number and is denoted by z conjugate. Z over a bar. Z conjugate is generally denoted by z over bar, which is the representation for conjugate of a complex number. So that means now I am having z is equals to, okay, now we are having z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. Then what is the conjugate of this complex number, which is equals to z conjugate, z bar equals to, the conjugate is obtained by simply changing the sign of the imaginary part. That means a is the real part and ib, that means imaginary part, is b plus b is the imaginary part. Now you need to change, here it's having plus, then you need to change it as minus. So now which is the conjugate of a complex number. Okay, so for example, if z is equals to, given that 4 minus 3i, so that means here the real part is 4 plus I times of the imaginary part is minus 3. So the z conjugate is obtained as changing the sign of the imaginary part. I and minus 3 will become plus 3. So 4 plus 3i is the conjugate of 4 minus 3i. Okay, is a conjugate of 4 minus 3i. Okay, so this is the conjugate of a complex number. And another one, modulus of a complex number. Modulus of a complex number. So distance from the origin to the complex number is called as modulus of a complex number, and it is denoted by mod z. Okay, modulus of z. So this is the representation of modulus of a complex number. So now in an organ plane, real part of the complex number to the imaginary part of the complex number, I am considering z is a complex number over here. Z is a complex number over here, which is a comma b, and the distance from the origin, so what it is, 0 comma 0 over here. So from the distance from the origin to a point, that means to a complex number a comma b, is called, so now the distance is calculated between these two i's, simply nothing but square root of a square plus b square, square root of a square plus b square, which is equals to modulus of a complex number. Okay, now we will find out how to find the multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Okay, so the multiplicative inverse, now z is equals to a plus ib is a complex number, then the multiplicative inverse we need to find it as 1 by z, which is equals to 1 by a plus ib. Okay, to find the multiplicative inverse, simply rationalize the complex number with its conjugate. Z is equals to a plus ib. So where 1 by z is called as multiplicative inverse. So 1 by z is multiplicative inverse. Now rationalize the complex number with its conjugate. Now z is equals to a plus ib is complex number. Then what's its conjugate? Conjugate is obtained by simply changing the sign of the imaginary part. So it's nothing but a minus ib. Now rationalize with a minus ib by a minus ib. Okay, so now which is equals to, we can write this is as a minus ib by, so a minus ib into a plus ib, a minus ib, sorry, a plus ib into a minus ib. Okay, now we know the complex number multiplication, so which is equals to a minus ib by, so a into a square, so minus I times of ab plus I times of ab, and now next minus ib plus ib. Okay, minus and plus, we will get it as a minus ib into ib, I square b square. So now we will get over here it as a minus ib by plus I times of ab minus I times of ab cancelled out, then a square and minus I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus, and we'll get it as b square. Then the multiplicative inverse of a complex number is a minus ib by a square plus b square. If we separate the real and imaginary part, we can write this is as a by a square plus b square plus iota times of the imaginary part minus b by a square plus b square. So which is the multiplicative inverse of complex number. Okay, so which can be written in the ordered pair form. The multiplicative inverse of a complex number can be written in the ordered pair form a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. Okay, so now which is the multiplicative inverse? Consider an example. So z equals to 3 plus 4i. Then what is the multiplicative inverse of a complex number? So the multiplicative inverse of this complex number is as 1 by z, and it can be written as 3 plus 4i, 1 by 3 plus 4i, and the regular procedure, which is 3 minus rationalize with the conjugate. So what is the conjugate? It is simply changing the sign of the imaginary part, 3 minus 4i and 3 minus 4i. We will get it as 3 minus 4i by, so simply 3 plus 4i into 3 minus 4i, 3 into 3, 9 plus 4i square. 4i square means plus, we will get 16, which is equals to 3 minus 4i by 25. Write the real and imaginary parts. 3 by 25 is the real part plus I times of minus 4 by 25. So which is the multiplicative inverse of complex number. Otherwise, by using the above formula, if you remember this formula, then you can write it as, if complex number is given as 3 comma 4, then what is the multiplicative inverse, which is nothing but as a comma b. Then we can write the multiplicative inverse as 1 by z, or you can represent as z inverse also. Z inverse also. The formula is a by, a is nothing but 3 by, and what it is, a square plus b square comma minus b by, and minus b, 4, b is 4, and minus 4 by a square plus b square. Then we will get over here it is as, so 3 by 25 comma minus 4 by 25. So which is in the form of ordered pair, the multiplicative inverse of a complex number by using the formula a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. Okay, so, and I'm again going back here. We defined multiplicative inverse as 1 by z is equals to a minus ib by a square plus b square, and We had defined modulus of a complex number as distance from the origin to a point a comma b I square root of a square b square. Now substitute here 1 by z equals to a minus ib. What is a minus ib? A minus ib is nothing but conjugate of the complex number z bar, and square root of a square plus b square can be written as what it is. If I square this, a square plus b square I will get it as a square plus b square and modulus of z square. So we can write this is as modulus of z square. So that is nothing but here we will get the multiplicative inverse in terms of the conjugate as z conjugate by modulus of z whole square. So which is the multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Okay, I think you understand this. Just go on the examples, you will find out the solutions how to solve the complex number multiplicative inverse of a complex number. So which is nothing but simply remember the formula. If a complex number z is equals to a plus ib is given, otherwise a complex number of z point form a comma b is given, the multiplicative inverse is nothing but a by square root of a square plus b square comma minus b by square root of a square plus b square. Okay, thank you students. In the next lecture we discuss how to perform the division of a complex number. Thank you.